Hello, let's delete some teachers pay teachers products with me. Now, there's never going to be a great time to work on your shop, delete products, really have a time to analyze your shop. That is why you're seeing me in an old sweatshirt. I have about a half an hour to work on my stuff, so let's look at my TPT shop and maybe this can help you. So let's go. So my TPT goals and store revamp is to see what sells and what I want to expand upon. So basically this is what my TPT store looks like. And I feel like aesthetically it looks good. I have a cohesive color palette. I have a clear messaging to my audience on what I can provide for them. And as you can see, I have 84 products. And I feel like looking at this store, it's not a great representation of what I am selling. So yes, I have 84 products, but I am not selling all of these products. And a lot of these are the ones that I created when I was first starting TPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to do an overhaul on my listings and my custom categories. And then I'm going to see where I can go from there. Now, after taking a hard look at my analytics, I found that my seasonal products sell well, which I knew this from previous months. And products where I do specific skills seem to sell well. So my graphic design content sells well. And then I want to kind of expand upon these specific skills. So I would like to do lessons that are tailored to my skills. So art history lessons, film lessons, and then my virtual field trips seem to be selling good as well. So what does that mean? That means that I deleted a whole bunch of products that was not selling, and as you can see, this is a tedious process. You go in there, and if you go to quick edit, you can click permanently delete this product, and I did that a lot. So after doing that, I decided to see what I truly have. And then I made categories based on that. And then I also added icons to the categories so that people can quickly see what they want to. So how many products did I delete? We should get a good drum roll. I deleted a total of 28 products. Yes, 28 products that have been in the trash. But these are not products that I have sold. So I am down to 56 products, which is a realistic view of what I'm actually selling within my shop. So I'm going to make a solid plan for this summer on how I can get my products back up to a higher number and what I'm going to make. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and tell me below, are you going to go through your shop and delete products? And if you have, tell me how many products you have deleted. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you next time.